Hello everybody, welcome back to Radical Studio YouTube channel. Now let's see about the car. The Smart car, as you saw in the previous video, we're gonna have to check a little more on the inside. So we have to put it on first. Oh, there we go. I think we gotta push it like this. Yeah, I think it's on, guys. So let's check. So guys, see, I press the throttle and it goes front. Okay guys, so there's been a little problem, of my RC car. See guys, this is my controller. Here's my RC car. Oh, wait, I'm sitting with this. So he's a little tough. Hands going forward, going backwards, going forward. Suddenly it stops going backwards. Okay, so it's here. Let me just show you. So there it went, and that was easy, but oh, so much pain. It was painful. Okay, guys, it usually comes out. It usually comes out by now. Okay. So see. Okay. There's was a problem with the reverse. Then I can show you how to fix it. So we've been driving a car for like too long, and I'm not that much of a problem in good driving this, I tell you. So we just have to see inside. There's some tech in here that can help us. Okay, yeah, I found it. I'll just put it in here. So guys, now as you will be seeing, my car is going forward and my car can go backwards too. Forward and backwards. But earlier today I was driving my car around, and guys, it was the most dreadful experience. So like this, it still can go reverse. You see, did you guys see that it stopped for some time? Did you guys just literally see that it stopped for some time? Let us see if you're getting the same problem. Comment in the comment section down below. Do like and subscribe, and in my next video I'm gonna show you a solution to this problem.